What do you want, Esther? What's up? You gonna read that?
Dog.
Dog? Is that a dog? I think that's a cow. It says moo. Yeah. Is that your baby? Do you love your baby? Yeah.
Papa.
Where is your grandpa? He's not in the camera. Esther. Wait. He's not in here. Wait.